Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve a limit problem. Limit as x approaches to 1, x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1. And okay. Now, to solve this problem, I will write x cubed minus 1 again. We know that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. And here we have x cubed minus 1. X cubed minus 1 is equal to x cubed minus 1 cubed over x minus 1. Here, x cubed 1 minus 1 cubed. Here we have x is equal to a and 1 equal to b. Then x cubed minus 1 cubed is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus x times 1, and it's x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Then our limit is as x approaches to 1, x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to limit as x approaches to 1, and I will write this here, x minus 1 multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now, if here we substitute 1 and we get 1 minus 1 times 1 squared plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1, and it is equal to 0 divided by 0. And 0 divided by 0 is undefined. This means that we cannot use direct substitution here. Now, but as you see here, we have factors x minus 1 and x minus 1 here. As x approaches to 1, x minus 1 approaches to 0. And for that reason, we get here 0 divided by 0. But we can cancel x minus 1s here. Why we can cancel them? Because we say that x is approaching to 1. If x is approaching to 1, x minus 1 approaches to 0. But x minus 1 is not 0. It just approaches to 0. Then x minus 1 in the numerator and x minus 1 in the denominator are two numbers. Those numbers are equal to each other and they are close to 0, but they are not 0. So we can cancel them. After the cancellation, we can substitute now 1 for the x. And we get here limit as x approaches to 1, x squared plus x plus 1. And we can substitute 1 here, 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. And this will be equal to 3. Here, you should know that we do not substitute the number 1 here before simplifying. If we substitute first, the expression becomes undefined because we get 0 divided by 0. But after simplification, we can safely substitute this value. Okay, now in the next video we will solve this problem. Limit as x approaches 0, square root of x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x. See you in the next video.